Hi there, savewith.crypto here. Okay, so I just want to show you how to get some Solana and make more Solana by trading Solana against Solana. I'm doing this on Blofin. If you use my link, savewithcrypto.org/Blofin, there's usually some amazing offer going on. I think at the moment, if you make a deposit, then you automatically get 20% extra in trading bonus that you can trade with. So that's really cool. But there's always something going on with that link. So please do use it. Also, it does enable you to be entered into the competition where you can win $1,000 that's coming out of my own pocket. And I will say at this point, there will be advantages for you using that affiliate link in the future. I'm not going to say much more than that at the moment, but please do use it. Okay, it will unlock some major benefits in the future. Now, once you're in Blofin, you can either use deposit to deposit some Solana, or if you want to buy some crypto with normal money, you can do that as well by going here, and you can see there's lots of different currencies supported, such as the euro, Canadian dollar, GBP for those of you in the UK, there's Australian dollars, South African rand, and many more. And you can either buy USDT, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. So that's all very easy. And if you need to get Solana, you can just go to spot here, and then if you type in here Solana spot Solana USDT, then if you want to be super quick, you can just go market, put in how much of your capital you want to use, and buy Solana. If you want to set a limit order, you can do that here and buy however much Solana you want at a price that you choose. That's all very simple. Now, once you've done that, the Solana will be in your spot wallet. So you can see here that I've got 0.6 Solana. So the idea is to make that into something larger. So I want to transfer that now to where I can trade it. So I'm going to go from spot to coin M. Okay, that's called coin margin, which is where we're going to trade it. So now if you were to look in futures and you go to coin M, you will see that Solana there. Okay, so now we can trade it. So we're here in futures and we're trading Solana USD perpetual. So what we need to do now is to find a good entry. Now, Solana's come down a bit recently, so I'm expecting it to go back up, but we need to get a good price. So I'm going to go to TradingView.com, and the free version is fine, you can use that. I'm going to search for Solana USD. And we want to find the Blofin one, which is a bit overwhelming because there's so many. So you can go to sources and scroll down here to Blofin. And you see what you've got here. You've got swap, and then you've got swap contract. It's this one we want. Solana USDT.P, I think they call it. Okay, so that's the chart we want. Now this is the same on the exchange, but we can do a lot more with it here. And what we're going to do is to go up to this thing here and add an indicator. And you're just going to search for QuadZilla. And you'll see this one here in community, quad rotation stochastic by savewith.crypto. This one's fine. Okay, so that adds this momentum oscillator down here, and also these EMAs up here. The green is a 55 EMA, that's an exponential moving average, and the yellow is a 21 EMA, that is also an exponential moving averages. And what you see here, you see these crosses, and generally when they cross that way, it's a bullish sign, meaning the prices are going to go up. And when you see that there, it's a bearish sign, meaning the price is going to go down. So at the moment, the price is coming down. So we want to find if this is going to bottom somewhere. Now, ideally, what we want to see is something in the momentum oscillator where this band here, which we call a convergence band, this goes down the bottom below this white line. At the moment, it's getting there, but not quite. But we'll keep watching because I think we're not at a bottom, but I think we're near a bottom. I might even go down right to the 1 minute. in the 1 minute you start to see things like the green backgrounds there, and also this little green arrow and these red triangles. I will explain that if it happens. Maybe just in case there is a crazy wick, I should set an order at quite a low level just in case, maybe like here. So I'm going to do this on maybe Forex leverage. Let's set an order around about here, 178.82. 178.82. Okay. Now it would make sense here to use quarter of your money, half your money, or whatever, but I haven't got very much Solana here, so I'm going to go a little bit crazy and just put it on maximum and create a long position there. Okay, so if the price comes down there, the order will fill. Okay. Well, that is exactly what did happen. The price did sort of wick down there, fill my order, and then we came back up. So my order, you can see here, the average entry price was 178.82, which is what I wanted. I'm currently 0.25% in profit, so about 0.0017. So it's a very small trade at the moment, but let's see how it goes. Let's just take a quick look at TradingView again. See, and in fact, when we actually got that wick down, you did get this green background here on the 1 minute time frame. And that green background signifies that it's probably a trend reversal. And also you see here, there's a little bit of space there where this convergence band went below this 20% line here. That's also a very bullish sign as well. So I think we might be good. I think we might have caught a reasonable bottom there. Let's leave it for a bit, see what happens. Okay, so I left that alone for a few hours and the price went up, and now it's come back down again. I should probably set a take profit. So let's just say about there, which is a 1.84% move. So on Forex average, I should make about 5% with that. Okay, so if you saw the banner at the start of the video, you'd realise that I started making this video on the 18th of July. And then I kind of forgot about it, you know, which was part of the reason for setting the take profit, because I just thought I'd take profit and not worry about it. It did close, of course. So my entry was 178.81. My closing price was 182.12, and I made 7.24%, which is 0.04336 Solana. However, look what would have happened if I'd have left it. So my entry was down here at 178 something. The price has gone up massively, so it's actually gone up like nearly 7%. So on Forex leverage that I was on, I would have made 28% on that. So I would have made a lot more, but I'm not going to complain too much. It was an okay trade. I made some profit, and I can do it again. If you want to do that, do check out the Blofin link, savewith.crypto.org/Blofin. Later on today, I'm going to be on the Stochastic indicator show. It's going to be my final day of doing it solo, so that's going to be quite good fun. I've got Justin the trader on as well. He's really, really good. He does like a lot of traditional assets. He likes gold and stuff like that. But he's really, really good at reading charts and stuff. So do come along to that at 1 o'clock. That's UK time. That should be really good. And then I'll be guesting with Dave on Wednesday, so that'll all be cool. But of course I'll be doing my regular updates every day as well, and I'm going to do a live stream with Math the Coder on Wednesday afternoon as well. So it's quite an action-packed week this week, and also we are going to release something rather special at the end of the week, so stay tuned. I will say it's really, really important for you to be in my Telegram group, so do that. savewithcrypto.org/TG. That gets you into the announcement group, and then at the top of that there's a pinned message. Read that, and that will get you into the group where you can have a chat about things. And when you get over there, we can discuss what's coming. All right, it's going to be really good. You're going to love it. Okay, so if you like the sound of that, please do give the video a like, and make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications turned on. While you're down there, please do give the video a great big fat like. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below, or just say hi. And above all, tell your friends.